What's up? Here are today's top tech stories for May 7th, 2026. Let's get into it. Number 1. LG's next-gen Tandem OLED display tech is fixing some long-standing consumer problems. LG Display's third-gen Tandem OLED doubles panel lifespan, cuts power consumption by 18%, and hits 1,200 nits. Number 2. While big tech spends $725 billion building AI, Apple is letting them. And that may be the smartest move in tech. The case for Apple. Nasdaq. AAPL price prediction gets easier to articulate every quarter. The pitch is number 3. Tech stocks rocket higher on chip strength. Easing oil and Iran deal hopes. Tech futures are pointing to a strong open, with the Nasdaq Composite (IXIC) leading the charge with a 1% Inc. Number 4. Tech moves. Amazon VP is now Chewy CTO. Smartsheet names CFO. Microsoft exec joins NetApp. Amazon VP Yunyan Wang is now Chewy's CTO. Smartsheet names new CFO. And a longtime Microsoft exec joins NetApp. Number 5. Tech stay tuned.